welcome back to me not knowing what I'm doing. Will you put together the engine for Ian and I? Please. Thank you. Alright, so the motor's is in pieces right now. Oh, the FedEx. My bad. The Amazon guy just pulled up with the packages with the good. Oh, Lily just scared the crap out of the FedEx guy. Why you did that, Lily? Why you did that? Huh? That's not cool. Alright, back to what I was saying. The motor's in pieces. I don't really know anything about engines, so I'm trying to learn. I guess it's not too late to learn now. Bro? What are you doing? Cut it out. All right, let me pull this bag off of this doohickey. We'll see what we're working with. All right, so quick little run through of what's going on. Lily, hold on. Let me put my dog on. I'll see you in a minute. All right, before we run out of battery here. Here's the motor, SR20. We got her cleaned up. We're just replacing everything. Water pump, thermostat, resealing everything. Well, trying to reseal as much as we can. I think I'm gonna obviously replace all these hoses. I know there's a video that Nick Sardino put out. That's probably gonna help me with that because I have no idea what I'm doing. But so far I'm ecstatic. This thing's really clean. At least it seems really clean to me. That makes me a little less stressed because I have so many parts that are going on this thing. Literally a box full of, just you name it, it's in here. You name it, it's in here. We're trying to make it work here. So hopefully we could get 300, 350, and then some decent tunability because I've never actually had a standalone, like a wire-in standalone. I don't really know much about it, so I guess I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna learn here shortly. All right, I guess I'll put you guys right here. Boom. Try to get to work. All right, here we go. Also, just want to give my buddy Ian a shout out because this dude took the OCD. Check this out. This dude just out here cleaning everything. Beautiful. You gotta use your little army that you got of people. Everybody in the friend group does something different, so everybody's got to learn. Sorry, I had to check them out. Everybody has to learn a little bit of something from each other. That's how Antidotetv prospers. Ian's a mechanic. Brian's strong. Mike, does all kind of crap, but he polishes cars up. I fix wheels and try to paint things sometimes. DJ flies helicopters. You name it, we do it. Or try to do it. Usually not well. Alright, back to putting this thing together. I'm waiting to see if Ian's gonna pull up in the whip. Let's see. A lot of you may be wondering, I know you keep hearing that slap. You might not, you may not, but if you're wondering what that is, it's Antidote chunkless. Bow! Ridiculous. This dude finally pulling up. Look at him. Bro! Oh! Is this the rock crawling game? Or are we just about to go? Whoa! The neighbors are gonna come outside and be very angry. Hello, welcome.
What's happening?
I have no idea what I'm doing. Clean it off a little bit. Gotta get her ready for some RTV. I don't know what that stands for. It's supposed to keep everything together. I don't know how true that is. Also, you need to, this has to stay. Make sure you put that back because Ian said so. And if Ian says so, that's all that matters. Okay, guys? I just put my phone down and I swore it just rang. Ting. What's this? Oh, this is for timing, right?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna clean my. What's a good way to, you think, clean off that, like soaking in gas?
Clean what off?
The pulley?
The balancer?
Mm-hmm.
Don't soak it in gas because it's got rubber.
Oh, yeah, true.
I wouldn't spray anything on it either. Truthfully,
Yeah.
I'd wash it with soap and water and like a wire brush.
Okay. I'd do that. I'm gonna paint it after anyway, so. I want to get a super dampener, but I spent a large amount of money.
Yeah, that's expensive. I was doing research on the BMWs, and people are saying that you gotta take the oil pan down, which isn't that bad, but some people don't like doing it.
I mean, I don't like doing anything.
They say replace the oil pump nut with one that's got a hole in it to put a piece of safety wire, because the harmonics from the engine will spin.
It'll vibrate it out.
It'll vibrate that loose, because like they don't like redline too much, and they like drifting is nothing but.
It's crazy the stuff that you find out when you start drifting stuff.
It's subjective. I think like Evan Wass, I don't think he was like toting that car that he had was always totally stock, and like you can, but I think like I have full intentions of driving this whatever I get to.
Yeah. Well, I hope so. I mean, that's the whole point. So I'm doing all this just to go drive it exceedingly hard.
Be a savage.
Very largely fast.
I feel like I've always been like I've had driver skill without a good car. I finally am like I want a good car.
Yeah, a lot of people, I would say they get to the one. They always get they get bad advice. That's always a thing. Or they have friends that have like that reverse syndrome where it's like you don't need blah blah blah. Which you don't need any of it. But the whole point is to have an enjoyable experience. And it's supposed to be fun and consistent, so it's like spending a little money on some upgrades never hurt nobody to have a good time. So that's the way I look at it. And then what goes like right here? Nothing?
Yeah, I think the accessory bracket goes.
Oh yeah. So move her on over.
Flip the motor over too.
Flip over the motor. This is gonna go on behind the scenes because I'm running out of battery.
It's gonna come tumbling out of here.
Possibly. Which way we're going? Oh, let me swap hands here. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, that's not the way you said you were going. Alright. Is it just gonna flip over or like?
Slowly.
Oh, wow. That's an interesting feeling. Because like motors usually aren't upside down, you know? They're usually the opposite.
Downside up.
That's it. That goes there. BRB. I'm running out of battery. There it is. There she goes.
Roar.
Oh my god. What
What if in fact this motor is destined for hell, and us saying that is just making him
There's
more and more angry?
There's no way, dude. There's no way.
Hello, the 1.5 JZ. No, not the 1.5.
No, I'm a man of Christ, so he's gonna help keep this bad boy alive for sure.
I gotta drill this up.
Ian, Daddy, guess what?
What?
We're gonna have a movie night.
Wow, tonight? Fantastic. What are we watching?
I don't know. I gotta think about what we're gonna watch.
Okay. Whoa, didn't you just take, I thought you just took a bath. What are you doing?
I did.
Okay. Well, why don't you go check for a movie while we finish up? You're just gonna sit?
I just want to sit for a little bit after.
All right. Cool. Very
I
good.
thought you were gonna give me some snowballs.
What?
'Cause I took
Snowball?
a lay down.
Oh, you don't always get snowballs when you take a lay down. We'll see. Maybe tomorrow I'll get you one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ian,
Oh.
that's my little frog.
Bro, you're gonna have to take another bath.
Can I show you something? Look.
No.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's kind of cool, actually.
Yeah, it's a little froggy.
It's like blue.
Oh, no.
Whoa. What?
And I have one more
Wrong
thing to
drill.
show you.
Wrong drill.
This really crazy.
This is the wrong drill?
Yeah, I don't know where to go.
Are you serious?
Oh, it's right there.
Bro, you out here. Oh my gosh.
Sending you on a wild.
Get over here. Away from the street, please.
Ready?
This is a 12. 12er.
Guys, y'all ready for me to look out?
Let her go. Wow.
You know how fast we...
Elliot, I thought you took a bath, baby.
I did.
Well, you better go inside before you get all sweaty.
I like getting sweat.
That means you gotta take another bath, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And the climber's in the front.
Don't go on the climber right now.
Please. Please, please.
Okay, real quick. Did I break it?
No.
So now the cover goes on that or over that? What?
I brought out some of these.
Wow. We appreciate you so much. Thank you.
Hey, here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, Toot, go check inside with mommy, please.
I will after.
I can't. It's hard to watch you while God is helping me build this motor. Come on. Okay. We'll be right back. So this is next, correct?
Yeah, but we got it torque first.
These.
SR20 DET upper oil pan torque set.
Ooh. Does Siri work like that? You're upside down. What? What are you doing, woman? You're crazy. Come on. Come on.
I still want to climb.
Come on.
Who is that?
I don't know.
It's a Jeep pulling up.
Uh-oh. It's G pulling up. He's not in his truck. Watch out, Elliot.
Hey!
Hey.
Get off of it. What are you doing?
It don't matter.
Now we're going to have to fix it.
Anyway, huh?